So today I'll be showing you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So if you want fast wired internet, you can actually connect a cable, but since the tablet has no RJ45 port, you do need an adapter. And this is an example of an adapter, which I'll link down below. It has a Type-C connector, which goes into the tablet. And on this side, you plug in your Ethernet cable. So when you plug it in, it should work. So let's test that out. So I'm going to plug in the adapter with a cable into the Type-C port of the tablet. Simple as that. Now to test if this works, I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. So there's Wi-Fi, that's off, and mobile data is off. Okay, and now we should have internet connection directly from the Ethernet cable via the adapter, as you can see. So of course the other end of this cable is connected to the switch or router. So I'm going to open the Play Store and try to install an app. So let's try and install Angry Birds, for instance. So you can see it's already opening. That's a good sign that we have internet connection. If I tap on install, it's going to verify and start downloading, which confirms we have active internet connection via the Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.